Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Markia, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be taking out my jumbo knotless braids, and I'm actually going to be taking them out one by one because no ma'am, I'm not about to cut my hair out. Whenever I do my braids personally, like if I do my hair myself, usually depending on how many braids is in my head, I will unravel and unbraid it from the root to the tip because I'm not about to go through cut, and no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take my time and unbraid it from the beginning to the end. But real quick, I just wanted to talk about something. Before I said I was gonna take down my hair on camera to show you guys my results, it's this girl on YouTube, this young woman on YouTube. Her name is Sista with real hair. I'll drop her information somewhere around here. If not, it's definitely gonna be in the description box below. But I was just watching her YouTube video, and she just recently made a wig out of her own shedded hair from collecting her hair for years. She saved her shedded hair up to make a wig. I just want to say all praise is due to sis, because I don't know if I can do something like this. I mean, I know I can, but sis, you really did that. If y'all have any interest on how she did that, I'm gonna put her link to her video somewhere around here or somewhere down in the description box below. Make sure y'all check her out. She gives me nostalgic YouTube vibes. If y'all know anything about the old YouTube, then y'all know she is it. Her videos are still very much so like she just made it in 2006. Not bashing her editing skills or anything like that, because her editing is A1, her clarity is A1, voiceovers are A1, but it's just a little bit, it's a different authenticity about the videos from back in the day than it is today. But moving forward, let's go ahead and jump into this video and start taking down this hair. So a lot of you are probably wondering, why do I take out my braids one by one? Well, I'm that weird girl that if I braid my own hair, I keep the hair because I reuse it, and it's reusable, and it be pre-stretched, and you know what I mean? So that's just me though. I don't know how a lot of y'all operate. A lot of y'all be like, oh baby, I'll buy another pack of $5 hair, but I mean, $5 hair can get expensive after buying it so many times consecutively, over and over again. So I do try to save my hair, and that's just a personal preference. But yeah, so I really wanted to take my hair down on camera because I know you guys, like, well, I don't know if you guys would like to, but usually when I do my own braids, I have a cute little braid out every time I take my braids down, no matter what kind of braids they're in. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And yeah, so this is what the first braid is kind of looking like. Very moisturized. Like, my hair is so moisturized right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, but let me go ahead and take down the rest of these bad boys, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so here is my hair when I take out and down my braids. Okay, so I saved every single last piece of hair that I could, and this is all the hair that was braided and attached to my hair. Now, I know a lot of you are probably thinking, like, why are you promoting this girl? Is this an ad? Like, what y'all doing? I'm not doing anything with her, but she's been one of my favorite YouTubers for a while now. I unsubscribed when she stopped posting, and then I subscribed back when I found out she was posting again. And then I seen this video, and I was just like, oh my gosh, like, this is what's up. And her video reminded me of this video that I'm filming right now, because one thing one of my best friends always say is, I'm not about to save that braiding hair, I'm finna cut it out and throw it away. I save my braiding hair and I reuse it over and over again until I can't reuse it anymore. And it just got me to thinking, like, maybe I can do this. Maybe I can save all of my shedded hair and make a wig. It sounds crazy, it sounds weird, but hey, I look at it like this. I don't think anything is crazier or weirder than wearing somebody else's nasty ass hair than wearing my own hair that I know where it's been. I know I've done it, cleaned it, and detangled it and did all of that stuff. So, you know, I just look at it like that. But as far as my braid out results from my hair, this is what I got. Everything is really moisturized. I never get that when I get my hair braided by anyone else. But whenever I do my own braids, my hair retains its moisture, and it's mainly because of how I seal my hair after I braid it and how I keep my hair up after I braid it. You may still see some parting and everything, but yeah, I got a little length, y'all. Alright, so I honestly would rock this as a braid out. I'm just gonna fluff it a little bit and separate some pieces and see what it looks like, because one thing about me is I'm a sucker for another style because I'm a lazy natural. So let's see what I get out of this right here. So I had to zip this up so I was able to fluff the back of my hair. But yeah, I think this is about it as far as the final product. I'm probably only gonna wear my hair like this for today, run some errands, do a little something, whatever, and then later on tonight, more than likely right before I go to bed, I'm gonna shower, deep condition, and put it in some braids or something else tomorrow. But as far as I'm concerned, this is the style, this is the braid out that I get from my jumbo knotless braids. Again, you can take a pick and like fluff it a little bit more, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to leave it as is. But yeah. I don't got the product. But yeah, so this is the final product. This is the finished product of what I get when I take down my jumbo knotless braids. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, I want your feedback. Tell me what you like about this video. Tell me if y'all save y'all braiding hair down in the comment section below. Or let me know if I'm the only person that does that. I want to go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you do like my videos or videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye.